Welcome to episode 4 of LFTR Diaries. This week, we're headed to the Oregon coast to meet up with our friends Thomas and Erin, who we met through a podcast, and our friends Christy and Garrett and their kids, who we met last fall. We love getting to meet up with friends on the road. It's one of our favorite things. I like to do a walk around before we take off, make sure the lights are working, make sure all our compartments are closed. Looking good. It's not dark yet, at least. Good morning, friends. This is where we stayed last night. We are at the Oak Creek Wildlife Viewing area. I think there's elk here that they feed in the winter. You can watch them, but there is RV parking for if you have a Discovery Pass, which is $35 for the year in Washington. So that's where we are. We're gonna go explore a little bit this morning. Last night we got out pretty late. We shot the tour video and then just hitched up and hit the road. It's dark when we pulled in here last night, but now it's not, and the views are pretty great. Right across the street from where we parked. Oh my god, look at the flowers.
Moving like a wave through a rocky riverbed. Sometimes love is a dancer in the dark.
We are finally headed to Astoria from where we stopped here at the Wildlife Refuge. We had some work to get done this morning. Been up since about 6. Had our coffee, took the dog for a coffee walk on the beautiful trail, and now we are headed towards Astoria at about 1:15. So, looking forward to a fun weekend.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore.
We are headed to downtown Astoria with our friends.
On Southwest
Check out a
9th
couple
Street for 1 mile.
breweries, walk around, see what we can see, check out the river walk. We didn't really spend a lot of time downtown last time we were in the area, so I'm excited to see what there is.
Where we belong, just wait. Wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. Ooh.
Jojo, what about this place was good?
It gave you a free frisbee with a kid's meal. It gives you a free frisbee with a kid's meal.
Yeah, you liked it?
And the little stuffies only, these kinds of stuffies only cost $7.
Nice. Was there anything that wasn't good?
No.
Everything's great?
Yeah, they even have gluten-free buns.
Perfect. Okay. All right. Go, Jojo, go. You didn't need caught. Need my scent.
Wow. That's pretty special. So we're in Loop J. Are we in Loop J? Is that where we are? Okay. At Fort Stevens, which is it's a really big campground here. This has water and electric. And we chose this site primarily, well, Clay chose this site primarily because we thought we'd get Starlink. So the sites on this side, the loops on this side that have the sites that face the road here on, so I would say J and I would probably be fine if you're along the road here. And some other ones you can actually get Starlink to work, which is helpful because there is almost no cell signal.
Yeah.
From any carrier as far as I understand.
Yeah.
Last time we stayed down in M and we had no cell and Starlink was really challenging.
Yeah. We ended up getting another site just to put Starlink in.
That was pretty funny. Yeah, we split it with Epperson. So we're about ready to take our little walk to the beach. You want to take Frank?
Yeah.
Playground. There's us. There's the playground. It's Sunday. People are heading out.
Love it, state park.
Yes.
These Oregon state parks, I feel like, I don't know. Oregon state parks are some of the best we've stayed at overall.
Yes, I agree. One of my favorites for sure.
Big cup. Wow, that's a big cup. How much are we getting? How much are we getting, Daddy?
What do you mean? How much stuff?
Yeah.
the bathhouse because that's
Uh-huh.
where the side of the and all the showers on that side are closed to the mirrors.
Oh, okay. And it's just,
I walked on the other side. I was like, oh.
and then there, yeah. Thank you.
Sometimes love is a river strong, moving like a wave through a rocky river.
If you like hero books, I know someone who's writing a book about Supergirl.
Sometimes love is a dancer in the dark, spinning, laughing, twirling through the back door of your heart. And every time I think of you, well, something happens in that.
outside toys here.
And every time I try to leave, you're keeping me occupied. I'm losing track of time. I'm losing track of time. Sometimes love is a thought we held too long. Sometimes it's alright just to be a little wrong, with no sense of consequence, the strength to carry on.
We are hitching up and leaving Fort Stevens State Park after a great weekend with friends and enjoying camping at the ocean again. We're headed home for a few nights and then we're back off on the road.
And you try to sleep it off, but night keeps on passing by. You're losing track of time. Losing track of time. Sometimes love
Hey!
is a reason.
Thought about leaving me.
I just thought I'd drive around and you catch me over here. Sorry.
Blowing like a hurricane right inside of me and you. No blues or avenues can take away my stride. When love's standing holding hands right here by my side. So if you wanna take a ride and see what happens down the
It's one of the things that has annoyed me most about this Airstream, and I think it's not just this model, but it's a lot of them. I know other people have had this issue too. This door has a nasty habit of getting loose during travel. You see these hinges in here? These are all that hold it in,
Yeah.
and they have these little, oh shoot, where did it go? Ah,
Right there.
Here it is. Little teeny tiny screws. That's all that's like holding that in place. And so yeah, eventually they back out when we're on some roads.
It was a little bumpy today.
track of time.
So one of my favorite parts about this trip, I think, has been taking US 12, White Pass scenic route to go down to Astoria.
Yeah, definitely we'll do it again.
And this is the biggest reason.
I don't know if you can get it in the camera there.
Well,
We'll cut to it.
yeah. Cut to that. Can't believe this is just here. Like, you come around the corner and all of a sudden it's just boom there. Pretty amazing. Just beautiful views of Mount Rainier.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak. But I know you're stronger.
Friend, I hope you get to the ocean this year. I find that at least once a year does the trick for me. I hope you get to have sandy toes and run in and out of the waves like a kid. I hope you get to stare out for a few minutes, study your breathing, and just take it in. Let it fill you up. See you down the road, Jamie.
We'll make it through.
Thank you for joining us for another episode of LFTR Diaries. Please make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss an episode. You can also find our podcast every Sunday wherever you get your podcasts, or subscribe to our Substack at lettersfromtheroadpod.com. We'll see you down the road.
I'll follow you.